And good morning, math wizards of virtual room 502. Ready for a little Eureka math in the morning with Mr. Leggett and friends? I have a feeling that you are. Let's find out what we're doing. We got an objective for Eureka Math Grade 3, Unit 3, Module 21. Ours to solve count them, two-step word problems involving multiplying single-digit factors and multiples of 10. Kind of like we were doing yesterday and the day before, but with word problems. So let's look at our fluency practice. It says multiply by the parentheses. So, could be an exciting lesson for math because it's all about parentheses. Let's look at our first problem. We got 2, and you are indeed, at this time, could actually need whiteboards and markers or scratch paper and pencil because you are indeed, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas y caballeros, you are indeed copycats. So here we go. Our first problem is 2 times 40. That's a pretty big math problem. It frightens me. But we bring out the parentheses and it makes it all better. How do we do that? Let's see. Okay, I could do 2 times 4, right? I think so. So we're going to go 2 times 4 times 10. Okay, so now let's bring out the parentheses because I don't want to do them by 4 times 10 because I already know that equals 40. So we'll bring out the parentheses and we'll put them right here. What does that equal? 2 times 4, 8 times 10. We know the answer here, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The answer is indeed 80 or 80. You can always think of it also as 8 times 1 is 8. Add the 0 to make 80. Let's move on with the next problem. 3 times 30. By golly, by gee, this is a big time problem that's going to confuse me unless I call in the help of that magical math dog. We know him as the Math Mutt. Oh, hello there, Mr. Leggett. Hello, boys and girls. How are you all doing? I understand these lessons about my favorite word, parentheses. Yes, it is, Math Mutt. I see you're doing 3 times 30. Yes, we are. Let's go ahead and break that down to 3 times 3 times 10. Okay, can we do that? Yes, we can. Hold on. Help me out with the paper. Okay. Now, Math Mutt, where should we put the parentheses? Yes, where should the parentheses go? That's what I'm asking you. Oh, they should go between the 3's. And why is that? Because 3 times 3 is easier than 3 times 30. Or 3 times 30. If I put the parentheses around 3 times 10, it would just be 3 times 30 like it is. But now we put it around 3 times 3, so what do? Well, we do the parentheses first. Yes, they always come first. And that's why I like them so much. Yes, you do. So, Mathmat, what's 3 times 3? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Thank you, Mathmat. So now we're just stuck with 9 times 10, and we could deal with that. 9 times 1 is 9. 1's 0 in the problem. Kenny Martinez Garcia, well, she's a very good student. She could tell you that. Yes, she could. We just add the 0 to make it 90. Do one more before we stop our fluency practice. I go now. Need to bite. What are you going to bite? Food. Okay. Glad he's not going to bite Princess Yvonne or Mr. Mystery Math Man. So our next problem we're doing is 2 times 50. That is a big problem. Let's break it down into 2 times 5 times 10 because 5 times 10 is indeed 50. Parentheses time. What's 2 times 5, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros of all ages? Well, 2 times 5, we do the parentheses first, is 10. That should be outside the parentheses. And we're down to 10 times 10. Get a load of this. 1 times 1 is 1, right? 2 zeros in the problem. 100. It's math magic at its finest. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas y caballeros, we're going to stop right now. And we'll be doing an application problem next. I want you to take a quick little break. This is not like a 5 or a 10-minute break. This is like 2 minutes. Grab a bite to eat. Use the restroom. Get a drink of water. Tell mom and dad you love them. Pet the dog. Feed the cat. Check on the dogs, ducks, or geese, or whatever you got out there in Anza. Make sure baby brother, baby sister are in with Mrs. Conant or Mrs. Rojas or whoever they teach or is their teacher. They're not teaching them, but maybe they are. And come on back for the concept development. There's no application problem today. We go right into the concept development. Do you like the way I say that? Concept development.